Hey, this is Georgina, and yeah, you've got a lot of the pieces moved, but it's not very precise. I think you really need to tumble around it in the perspective view and see it from different angles. Look at how the backs of these legs are overlapping. See how the feet are very different size, although we're going to copy over from one side once we get it right anyway, so that's not that important right now. This is not straight compared to the top. So overall, and these are sort of stretched disproportionately scaled. So let's say these should be, I don't know, 0.25 or something like that. I just want to make sure the X and the Z scale are the same. See how that looks. Oh, I'm sorry. Anyways, I'll just make them all 0.3 to make it easy on myself. So see how that's round now? Whereas this one's elongated. So we want all of these to be round, not elongated. So uh, the way you have it, the Y and the Z scales, these two need to be the same as each other. And to see how this is at kind of a funny angle because you have all these odd rotates here. I would zero out those. See, and that gets it kind of straight. And it looks like you have two right on top of each other as well. Oh, more than two. Okay. So yeah, overall, the work is a little sloppy. Also, the proportions aren't right. These should be much thicker. If you look at some reference, for example, I did a search for smoking spaceman robot and got all of these. Look at how thick it is from the side, and then look at how thin yours is. So overall, I think you could be a little bit more careful and precise with the placement of objects and avoid these kind of small amounts of rotation like you've got in here. The disproportionate scales, well, specifically for the round objects. And yeah, so I would take another pass at this. This isn't. I think you could do better.